If you've been posting on Instagram for months, maybe even years, and your follower count barely moves, it's not your content. It's something most creators never even think to fix. I know because I have two Instagram accounts. One that's 28 days old and has 1,400 followers. The other is a years old account with 750 posts and barely 1,200 followers. Same face, same person, completely different results. And the reason why might be the most important Instagram lesson you learned this year. I'm giving you the 5 biggest lessons I learned from this process. Stick around for the third one because it's the one that made everything finally click for me. I'm Sebring. I've built a multiple 6-figure online business from scratch using content, and I teach creators how to do the same. If you're just getting started, I got a free guide down below that walks you through the whole process. Lesson number 1, your bio is your billboard. Clarity wins every time. The first Instagram growth lesson from this experiment is your bio has to do one job, and most creators are making it do 10. Your Instagram bio is the first thing a new visitor reads, and it needs to answer 3 questions instantly. Who is this for? What do they offer? And how do they deliver it? If someone lands on your profile and they can't answer those 3 questions in under 5 seconds, they're gone. Now let me show you the difference. My triple reset bio says helping men 40 plus become unrecognizable. Triple reset, TRT, GLP-1s, lifting. Lost 55 pounds after 40. Immediately, you know exactly who it's for. It's for men in their 40s who want a physical transformation. You know exactly what the approach is. It's TRT, GLP-1s, and lifting. And you know there's proof it works. I'm the test case. Now, if we look at my main account, it says business coach, multiple 6-figure business owner, 13,000 YouTube subs. I teach trust, leverage, and durable income. I had to really work in my bio to even get it that clean. It hasn't always been that focused, but it still doesn't punch the way the other one does. For most of that account's life, the bio was a grab bag. One week it was about preaching. The next week it was about faith. The next week it was about beach and family life. The next week it was about business. The visitor had no idea what they were signing up for. Here's why this matters so much to you. Instagram is not going to push your content to people who are confused about what you offer. The algorithm needs to categorize you. And more importantly, humans need to categorize you. If your bio is trying to do everything, it's attracting nobody. And trust me, I know this feels limiting. I'm the person who had a preaching blog one day, then started teaching business the next day, then was posting pictures of my family and beach sunsets and leg days in the gym the next day. My Instagram looked like a person having an identity crisis, which, fair. Now, that's the foundation, but your bio alone doesn't grow your Instagram account. What you do next separates accounts that grow from accounts that stall. And I almost blew this part. But before we get to that, drop a comment below. Does your Instagram bio clearly answer those 3 questions right now? Let me know. Lesson 2, pick a lane and stay in it. Variety is a growth killer. The second Instagram growth lesson is one I learned the hard way. Variety is killing your growth. When every post in your account serves one person with one transformation, the algorithm knows exactly who to serve your content to. But when your account is a buffet of 10 different options for 10 different people, the algorithm doesn't know what to do with your content, so it does nothing with it. Here's the proof. My triple reset account. Every single post is about one thing. Men in their 40s transforming their bodies through GLP-1s, TRT, and lifting. That's it. No business tips, no beach sunsets, no family photos, no personal updates, just that. One message, one audience, one transformation. 113 posts, 28 days, 1,400 followers, and 372,000 views, all in less than a month. Now compare that to my main account. Over 750 posts, years of work. And I've got 1,196 followers, with 7,000 views in the last 30 days. I didn't misspeak. This account has existed for years and it gets 50 times fewer views than Triple Reset, which is a brand new account. And it's not because the content is bad, it's because the content is scattered. Over the years, that page has been a personal bulletin board. Life updates, fitness posts, business tips, spiritual guidance, all of it. I was posting for me instead of for a specific person. If you're building an online business or a personal brand, your Instagram account is not your personal journal. It's a growth engine. And growth engines need fuel that's consistent, not random. Every time you post something off topic, you're confusing the algorithm and your audience. You're resetting your momentum back to 0. And here's what's wild. I know this stuff. I teach this stuff. I tell my clients all the time to niche down. But I wasn't doing it on my own Instagram because I thought, no, this is the place where they want to see all of me. No, they don't. They want to see the version of you that solves their specific problem. Okay, so you might be thinking, Lane, I've tried this, I've niched down, it didn't do any good. I hear you, because I tried to fix this exact problem on my main account and it failed miserably. Here's why. Lesson 3, you can't rebrand a confused account. Start fresh. The third Instagram growth lesson, and this is the one that I said would be the most important, is that sometimes you can't fix a broken foundation. You have to start over. I actually tried to course correct my main Instagram account. I did a focused 30-day business content series. Consistent topic, consistent posting, consistent niche every day. And you know what happened? Almost nothing. The needle barely moved. Because here's what no one tells you. Once the algorithm has categorized your account based on years of mixed signals, it's almost impossible to retrain it. Your existing followers were attracted by the variety. New followers can't find you because the algorithm isn't showing your content to anyone. Essentially, you're stuck. That's why I made the decision to start @Lane completely from scratch. Brand new account, brand new bio, brand new content strategy. 0 followers. And within 28 days, it blew past my years old main account. Starting fresh let me do the one thing I couldn't do on the main account. I built the right audience from day one. I trained the algorithm with clean data from the very first post. And I removed the temptation to post off topic because the brand is so specific, it won't allow it. If you've been grinding for years on an account that's barely moving, you may not have a content problem, you might have a foundation problem. And the bravest thing that you could do isn't to try to keep fixing it, it's to start over with a clear, fresh vision of exactly who you're trying to reach and what you're trying to help them do. And I'll be straight with you, it was a little bit of a humbling experience to start a brand new Instagram from scratch as a multiple 6-figure content business owner who teaches this stuff. But you know what? That 0 follower account was more powerful than the 1,200 on the other account because I knew I could attract the exact people who want to follow me for this exact transformation. And it happened. Now, none of this matters if you don't know how to create content that people actually want to follow. So let me give you the content framework that made this new account explode. And by the way, if you're watching this and you're realizing that your account might need a fresh start, follow me over at @Sebring to watch this whole journey unfold. Okay, lesson number 4, authority first content. Lead with proof, not tips. The fourth Instagram growth lesson is about the kind of content that actually converts followers, and it may not be what you think. Most people on Instagram are posting tips. 5 ways to do this, 3 mistakes to avoid here. Tips are fine, but tips don't build authority. Proof does. Befores and afters, personal results, client results, real data, real numbers, real transformations. When your content leads with proof, you don't have to convince anyone that you know what you're talking about. The content does it for you. Look at the top performing reel on my Triple Reset account, the one that got 221,000 views. TRT before and after. Not a tip, not a tutorial, a transformation. That single piece of proof-based content did more than dozens of tip-based contents ever could. On my main account, I was posting tips and value bombs all the time that people appreciated, but they didn't follow because of it. There's a difference between someone enjoying a post and someone hitting follow. People follow authority, and authority comes from proof. If you're building an online business, this changes everything about your content strategy. You don't need to out-teach everyone, you need to out-prove everyone. Show results, show the receipts, show transformations. That's what stops the scroll and earns the follow. I gotta say, I spent so long trying to be the guy who gives the most value. And value is important, but I was hiding behind tips because showing real results feels vulnerable. Posting a shirtless before and after as a 40-something is kind of scary, but that vulnerability is exactly what people connect with. So you know what to put in your bio, you know how to stay focused, you know when to start fresh, and you know what kind of content to create. But there's one more piece, and it's the one that pulls all of this together. Lesson number 5, speak to one person, not an audience. The fifth Instagram growth lesson is one that ties everything together. Speak to one person, not an audience. Every post, every caption, every story, every reel should feel like you're speaking to one specific person. Not people, not everyone, not my followers, not hey Instagram, one person. When you do this, something powerful happens. Thousands of people feel like you're speaking directly to them. On Triple Reset, I know my person. He's a man over 40. He's frustrated with his body. He's been told that GLP-1s are cheating. He's tried to lose weight a dozen times. And he wants to feel confident with his shirt off again. Every single piece of content speaks to him. Now, on my main account, I was speaking to everyone. Pastors, business owners, fitness people, people who like beach life, people who enjoy family. But when you try to speak to everyone, your content has no emotional punch. It's generic, it's vanilla, and vanilla doesn't move people to follow you. This is the difference between content that gets polite likes and content that results in people DMing you saying, I have to work with you. When your audience feels seen, like you understand their specific struggle, they don't just follow you, they trust you. And trust is the foundation of every sale you make online. I'll never forget a DM that I got on Triple Reset very early on where someone says, it seems like you're reading my mind. I knew right then that this account was going somewhere. Nobody's ever said that to me on my main account. And it's not because I got better at content, it's because I got specific about who that content was for. Tell me in the comments, who is your one person? If you can describe them in one sentence, you're ahead of 90% of other creators on Instagram. So now you know the 5 lessons that took my brand new Instagram account past my years old account in less than a month. Clarity in your bio, staying focused on one niche, knowing when to start fresh, leading with proof, and speaking to one person. You have the blueprint. But here's the thing. Instagram is just one piece of the puzzle. If you're building a business, you need a system that turns followers into email subscribers and email subscribers into customers and customers into recurring revenue. I've got a video right here that shows you exactly how to build that system from scratch. It's the step-by-step process that I use to build my multiple 6-figure business using content just like this. Click it now while you have this momentum, and I'll see you over there. And thanks for watching to the very end. It tells me that you're serious about this. Let's go build something, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.